2025 INFINITI QX55. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive. Take home the car of your dreams today.